Okay, my friend, my name is Nirmal, and today I will show you guys how to install uh, a Windows server on Amazon AWS using EC2 instance virtual machine. So before starting, I have already account on AWS. So what I will do first. Let me show you. I have already created a Windows server on instance instances EC2. So I will do one thing. First of all, I will do terminate this session, or I will show you from starting. Okay. So first of all, let me do introduce some uh, the session. What I'm going to share with you. The Windows Server, let's say the one PC which is having some RAM and internal memory, whatever, and Windows operating system Windows is installed on that PC. So this is how what I'm going to show you. Like I will run a Windows server. Here you can say RDP remote desktop on from my PC using AWS. Okay, so I have already account on AWS, so I'm going to start starting. So first of all, what I need to do, go on that here services and EC2 virtual servers in the cloud. You know that you know that AWS is a cloud service provider. So here you can see that instances running in showing zero. So click on that. So it will open in this way. So currently you can see here in no match instance found. Meanwhile, no instance is running on. So now I will click on launch instances. Okay, here is the name. You can put any name, something whatever one. But I'm going to I'm going to install on Windows Server. So I will put name Windows Server. Okay. Here you can see that the quick start. There is some option Amazon Linux. This is the platform, operating platform you can say. There's a Ubuntu, there's a Linux, Windows, Red Hat. So I can do either I click on this Windows Microsoft, or I can browse from image, Amazon machine image. These are images. These are images. Amazon Linux, Mac operating system, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat. So what I will do, I will click on browse more Amazon machines. Okay. Here you can see Ubuntu. Yeah, this one Microsoft Windows Server. Since I have a free account on this AWS, so I will select that free tier eligible. Okay. So for free tier eligible, just you can see here it is mentioned free tier eligible Microsoft Windows Server, two 2022 base 64 bit. Okay, so I will select on this. Yeah, now it is selected Amazon machines or images, and instance type. So instance type, what will do, it will do tier 2 dot micro. This is a free tier eligible. Otherwise there are another instance type, but might be they can it can be charged something for using the services. Okay, so here you can see 0.0062 USD per hour, 0.024 USD per hour, but it is free eligible. Okay, so demand Linux pricing for 0.012 for USD per hour demand, but it is on demand. Okay, but you can see here in this instance type, it is not free tier, but it is free tier. Okay, so this is the thing what I'm telling you. Like when you are creating a when you going to install Amazon server or Linux, so you should you must take care for this. Otherwise, it will it may be some will charge. Now I'm moving on next option, key pair login. You can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to the selected key pair before you launch the instance. So either I can use the existing key pair. So I have so many keys key because I have already run lab on Kubernetes, Docker, something. But I will show you from starting. So what I will do, I will create a new key pair. Okay. So, guys, this is my first video. So, might be you guys are thinking, might be you guys can think I am telling you very fast. So, please don't mind it. Actually, this is my first live, so might be some some it not might be it might not be very good better experience for you, but I will try my best. Okay, so I will click over here and create new key pair. I can enter key pair name. So what I will do, because since I am going to install Windows server, so I will put here name in Windows one. Okay, Windows, yeah, Windows is there, and create key pair. Okay, and moving on next for network setting. So nothing need to do here. Create security group firewall. This is the firewall security group. So it is default password, it is default setting, so nothing to do here. Allow RDP, yeah, this one is, it should be clicked, it should be selected. Allow RDP traffic from it means you can connect to your instance from anyone, anywhere. Okay, so anywhere means, well, from where you connect to, you can connect to instance RDP anywhere. Okay, this HTTP traffic from the internet and this. Okay, so I have click on both. Allowed HTTP traffic from the internet to set up an endpoint and this one. Okay. Mainly you should must be use this option in our RDP. Otherwise you cannot open RDP, because after giving allow after giving selecting this option, you can you connect your instance RDP from anywhere. Okay. But you must be ensure that you have the internet connectivity. Now coming on configuration storage. Since this is the Windows server, so here you can see the 30 GB and GP2 root value. Root value meanwhile, this is the setting like 30 GB. You can see storage type EBS, device name DEVSDA, snapshot something. Delete on terminate. So delete on terminate. Yes, if you can put here no, so it will not be deleted after when you are when you will try you when you want to try to terminate, it will not be terminated. So I will not to change anything. And 30 GB memory. Okay, moving on next one. You can see it is clearly mentioned that free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. Okay, so moving on next now. So launch instance, I will click on launch instance. It's creating security guard launch installation, and that is from here. You can also say that what successfully, what part are successfully done. If any issue, then it will might be probably it will show you. So initializing request succeeded, creating security group succeeded, creating security group rules succeeded, and last one launch initialization succeeded. Okay. Now what I will do, view all instances. Okay. So instance state is showing here running, but status check is showing initializing. Once it will be completed, then I will show you what exactly uh, it, what exactly it will show in case if this initialization is completed. So as I told you that RDP from Windows Server I can connect via RDP remote desktop application. So then we need to do one thing. There are some process which we need to follow. Connect using RDP client. Okay, then what need to do? First of all, you need to click on download remote desktop file. Okay, you can download remote desktop file. Okay, after that, uh, password. So for the password, get password. Click on there. Key pair associated with this instance windows and click on browse. You remember that time I downloaded a key pair. So what key pair was there because I downloaded a key in Windows. So I will select this. Then after decrypt password. Okay. So instance ID is there. Connect using RDP. Okay. Download remote desktop file. Public DNS. Then and username is administrator. Remember that username is administrator and password is okay. So for it's not for security, just I copy this password. Then what I will do, I will go on instances and we'll check other again that what is the current status of status check. Yeah. So you saying instance state is running and status check is 2 by 2 checks passed. So it is ready for Windows Server. Windows Server is ready for to check. Okay, Windows Server is ready. Meanwhile, it is now ready. So what I will do. I select this Windows Server and connect. Okay, 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 okay. So go on here. What I downloaded that time Windows Server desktop. Okay, then connect it. Okay, you can see this administrator this one and password pressed here. Yeah, now it's connecting. Okay. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, one thing. Let me show you. See, when I selected this Windows Server, which is already ready, so showing here that public IP is 5266.209.46. Okay. Now when I connected to that RDP, so this IP will show you. Okay. Let me show you this IP. You can see this public IP. Okay. Open that RDP 5266.209.446. Okay. Yeah, 5266.209.46. Yeah. Now you can see that I have successfully access to Amazon computer Windows Server. Okay. So it is like you are using another PC. You can connect you connect it to another PC Windows Server. Okay. So it's showing you, do you want to allow your PC to be discovered by other PCs and devices on the network? Recommending allowing the this person but not fully force? No. Okay. Now that it is Windows Server. Meanwhile, you then one another PC, and you can say okay Windows Server. So this is the Windows Server on AWS instance EC2. Okay, so host name is this one, instance ID this one, private IP this one, and public ID 52662946. Instance size key है? Instance size is tied to micro. Available zone app south and architecture total memory network low to moderate. So this is the process. This is the like, or you can see this is the thing which you need to check. So Now it is successfully Amazon. It is successfully now ready. Windows Server using Amazon EC2 instance. Now the question is, thing you can connect all other things like let's see, open at Microsoft Edge. It should be remembered this is not my PC. This is the RDP what I connected here. Let's see something open to meet. Yeah. So here this is a remote RDP remote desktop using this IP 5266200946 South One Computer Amazon AWS.com because I'm using that Windows Server and Amazon instance EC2. So then I will close this actually not more use right now. Okay.